Most people think the AI revolution happened in 2023 with chat. They're wrong. 2026 is the year AI stopped being a chatbot and started being a ghost in the machine. Today, I'm showing you 10 tools that are so powerful, they honestly feel like you're cheating at life. We're talking about tools that can build entire businesses while you sleep, clone your voice with 99% accuracy, and research complex topics better than a PhD student. If you're still doing manual work in 2026, you're basically bringing a knife to a railgun fight. Let's dive in. First up is Sora Pro. Remember when AI video looked like a fever dream? That's over. Sora Pro now allows for consistent, multi-shot 4K video generation. You can literally describe a cinematic scene lighting, camera angles, and character consistency, and it spits out a file ready for Netflix. You can create high-budget commercials or B-roll for your YouTube channel without a camera, a set, or a crew. A $50,000 production is now a $20 prompt. Tool number 2 is the duo of Cursor and Devin. We've moved past coding assistants. These are autonomous agents. You don't just ask for a snippet of code. You give them a GitHub repository and say, build me a SaaS that tracks crypto prices and emails users when it dips. Then you go grab coffee. You can build complex software without knowing a single line of Python or JavaScript. It's vibe coding at its finest. Ever feel like you need a superpower to get everything done? Well, today I'm giving you 10. These are the AI tools so powerful, so game-changing, they almost feel like they should be illegal. They're like cheat codes for real life, and trust me, you're going to want to know about every single one. First up, for all my developer friends, or anyone who's ever stared at a screen full of code and felt completely lost, meet Blackbox AI. Think of it as your coding co-pilot. You can literally ask it any coding question, and it'll spit out the exact code you need. But here's the crazy part. You can even upload a picture of a user interface, and it will generate the code to build it. Yes, you heard that right. From a picture to a fully functional website. It saved me countless hours of debugging and searching through forums. It's not just a time saver, it's a lifesaver. Next, let's talk about your voice. What if you could clone it and have it say anything you want, in any language? That's where 11 Labs comes in. This isn't just some robotic text-to-speech. This tool creates a perfect, emotionally expressive replica of your own voice. I used it to clone my voice, and now I can generate audio for my videos in Spanish, Japanese, or French without ever speaking a word of it myself. The potential here is insane, from creating multilingual content to personalizing audio messages. It's so good, it's almost spooky. Now, imagine having a personal research assistant that's smarter and faster than any human. Meet Perplexity AI. This isn't your average search engine that just gives you a list of links. Perplexity actually reads everything, understands it, and then gives you a direct, summarized answer with all the sources cited. I use it for everything, from researching video topics to understanding complex scientific papers. It's like having a team of researchers at your fingertips, 24/7. The days of endlessly scrolling through search results are over. Sticking with the theme of research, have you ever found an amazing article only to hit a paywall? It's the worst, right? Well, say hello to your new best friend, 12 Feet Ladder. This tool is ridiculously simple. You just paste the link of a paywalled article, and like magic, it removes the paywall. Now, I'm not saying you should stop supporting good journalism, but for those times you just need to access information quickly for research. This tool is an absolute game changer. It's simple, effective, and feels a little bit like a hacker movie. Okay, let's get visual. We've all been there. You need a specific image for a project, but you just can't find the right one. Stock photos are boring and expensive. That's where Midjourney comes in. This is an AI image generator, but it's on a whole other level. You just describe the image you want in plain English, no matter how wild or specific, and it creates stunning, original artwork in seconds. I wanted a picture of a robot Jing on Mars for a thumbnail, and boom, Midjourney delivered. It's a creative powerhouse for artists, marketers, or anyone who needs unique visuals. But what if you need to edit a photo, not create one? And I mean really edit it. Let me introduce you to Dragon. This tool is blowing my mind. It lets you manipulate images in a way that seems impossible. You can literally grab a point on a photo and drag it to change the object's pose, shape, or even expression. Want to make a person in a photo smile? Just drag the corners of their mouth up. Want to turn a car to face a different direction? Just drag it. This isn't just Photoshop. This is the future of photo editing. Now for my business owners and marketers. How much time do you spend writing emails, social media posts, and ad copy? What if I told you an AI could do it all for you, better and faster? That's Copy AI. It's trained on high-converting marketing copy, so it knows what works. You just give it a little bit of context about your product or service, and it generates a ton of different options for you to choose from. It's like having a world-class copywriter on your team, without the massive salary. Let's shift gears to automation. We all have those repetitive, boring tasks that eat up our day. Copying data, filling out forms, sending the same email over and over. Well, Bardeen AI is here to put an end to that. This is a no-code automation tool that lives in your browser. You can create custom workflows to automate almost anything you do online. For example, I have an automation that, whenever I find a cool article, saves it to my notes, shares it on my Twitter, and sends a link to my team on Slack, all with a single click. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Okay, this next one is for everyone who has ever sat in a long meeting or watched a long lecture video and wished they could just get the main points. Meet Summarize Tech. You can paste any YouTube video link into this tool, and it will instantly generate a full, detailed summary of the entire video, broken down by topic with timestamps. It's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who wants to consume information more efficiently. I use it to quickly review educational content and decide what's worth watching in full. It's a massive time saver, finally. Let's talk about creating presentations. We all know the pain of spending hours in PowerPoint or Google Slides, trying to make things look good. What if you could create a stunning, professional presentation in under a minute? That's the promise of Tome AI. You just type in a prompt about your topic, and Tome automatically generates an entire presentation for you, complete with a title page, outline, written content, and AI-generated images for every slide. You can then edit it as much as you want. It's the ultimate productivity hack for students, entrepreneurs, and anyone who has to give presentations. It's so fast and effective, it feels like cheating. So there you have it, 10 tools that will give you an unfair advantage in whatever you do. From coding and research to content creation and automation, these AI platforms are changing the game. They might feel like cheat codes, but they're real, and they're available for you to use right now. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below, so go check them out and start leveling up your life. Let me know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that will make you feel like you have superpowers. See you in the next one.